Just got this in. So this is the JJRC SOL. It is obviously this flat kind of drone with motors that pop out. So let me just start off by saying that this thing is a novelty item. This has novelty item written all over it. It doesn't mean that it's bad, but just keep that in mind. This thing is a novelty. So as you can see here, the motors pop out like that, and they all fold up, and the whole idea behind this kind of drone is that you can take it and, you know, put it in your pocket. Like you could put it right here in your little shirt pocket, see that, and you just take it in and out, or, you know, maybe you're gonna put it in your bag, something like that. And they designed the controller to be flat too, see? So that's the whole point of this drone. Take it, put it in your bag, fly it with either your phone or fly it with a flat controller. But as a result, there have been some compromises. As you can see, there's no way to replace the battery. It's just that's where you charge the battery over USB. So you only get one battery on this little guy. And it does actually have a camera. But as I'm going to show you now, where the heck do you put that on this controller? There really wasn't any thought about that. There's nowhere to hold your phone if you're going to use the controller to fly with the camera. So I'm just going to take the phone and put it in my pocket, and whatever video we get while we're flying is what we get. So let's get the drone bound up to the JJRC SOL first. Going to turn it on. And we got blinking lights. I'm going to put it down right here. I'm going to turn it on. Up, down is the bind sequence. I just connected to the drone over Wi-Fi, and now I've got video feed up on here. Alright, so I've started recording. This is sort of what it looks like. I'm just going to hold it up, point it this way, point it at me. That's the kind of video quality that you can expect out of this little thing. But, you know, it's not going to fly far because it's just a little guy. So I'm going to put the phone in my pocket because I've got nowhere to hold it. And we're going to do the one key takeoff. Well, that worked nicely. And it looks like it's leaning to the side. So we may have to calibrate it or trim it out a little bit. So actually I'm gonna, Jesus. I'm gonna land it. I think this is level, this thing is level. I'm gonna do the calibration. To do a calibration, you just hold down this button. And now it's calibrated. Now we're gonna launch again. Yeah, much better now that it's been calibrated. It wasn't like that the last time I flew it. So, but yeah, we had to calibrate. So that's the little SOL. I mean, it's okay. It flies nice. It's all right. It's nothing to write home about. I don't think it's going to be particularly durable, especially with the way this is constructed. I really don't. Because there's so many little small pieces that can break if you have a crash. But you know what? If you're like a drone enthusiast, I could see having this in your bag. You know, you got a conversation going on. You're like, oh yeah, I love drones. You want to just take this out? I don't know. I'm just sort of whatever. just whatever, man. Now we can't even see what the camera is getting because I would have to break it out and fly it with my phone. All right, so I guess this thing can do flips. I believe this is the flip button. Yep, that is the flip button. So you hold this down, and then you give it the direction you want to flip. Let's try a backflip. Well, it's pretty acrobatic. Oh man, we are struggling. Let's go over here in the garden. Oh man, do I really want to fly through this thing? Do I really want to try to do that? I bet you I'm going to fail. Oh shit! Well, we just had our first crash on camera, so we survived. Now I'm going to try to go through this thing straight. Can we do it? Can I do it? Ah, no, I just can't. The wind is just screwing with me too much today. I want to do this. I want to do this so bad. Yes! Okay, I did it. That's good. But we're already low on battery. You see that? It's blinking. We're already low on battery. And it's struggling, and it's struggling. Ah, Jesus. Okay. Pretty sure I can't even lift off now. Because I think that was the LVC. I hit the flip button. Well, I can lift off. So I'm going to run this battery down to the end. We do have some wind. Oh my! I just can't seem to fly it through there. I just don't have the control. See if we got one more launch out of this guy. You know, you're not going to get more than 30 meters of video range out of this. It's just sort of a little novelty. That's really the way to look at this. No, they don't. Alright, I think that's it for the battery. I don't think it's gonna... Nope, that's it. What's the flight time? 5 minutes 53 seconds is what's on my video right now. So our 5 minutes is up and the flight is over. So basically, that's it for the JJRC SOL. I think I pretty much gave my opinion of this thing throughout the video, but basically I'll say it again real fast. This drone is a novelty drone. If you want a drone that you can fold up, stick in your coat pocket, stick in your bag that has a low profile, then get it. Otherwise, it's, you know, maybe not. It's not the most functional or not the most practical drone, so to speak. And one huge downside is, as I said, has no replaceable battery, so you can't just, I can't fly anymore. I've got to put it on charger. It's going to take about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to charge, so it's not terrible. But again, that's the JJRC SOL, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and as always, have a great day, guys.